How to find deletion settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find deletion settings on Facebook Lite. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook Lite, and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings, and then click personal and account information, and now click this one, account ownership and control, and then click here deactivation and deletion. And as you see here, you can find deletion settings. Just click on it and click continue if you want to delete it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.